Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer knowledge from Help Scout to GrooveHQ, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Help Scout account. Navigate to the mailbox section of your Help Scout dashboard. Identify the mailbox or conversations you wish to transfer. Click on the desired mailbox to open it. Select the conversations you want to export. You can use the search feature to filter specific conversations if needed. After selecting the conversations, look for the export option. Choose the format you want to export your data in, such as CSV or JSON. Confirm your selection and download the file to your computer. Next, log into your GrooveHQ account. In the GrooveHQ dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Look for the Imports tab in the Settings menu. Click on the option to import conversations or tickets. Select the uploaded file from Help Scout. Map the fields from your Help Scout export to the corresponding fields in GrooveHQ. Ensure that all necessary data points are correctly aligned in the import setup. Once everything is mapped, initiate the import process. Monitor the progress of the import through your GrooveHQ dashboard. Once the import is complete, review the conversations and data in GrooveHQ. Check for any discrepancies and ensure that all information has been transferred accurately. Adjust any settings or configurations in GrooveHQ as needed. Finally, familiarize yourself with the new platform and its features for effective usage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.